Stand up.
What is that?
Hey, check that.
You are under arrest.
What? Move!
Give me this now.
Where the food now?
Nimota! Bring the food for them now.
I dey come.
How long? Sorry, I beg, no vex.
I beg more than that. Person be hungry. Thank you then. I don't know, say hungry day. Where the water now? You bring food, you no bring water.
And it bring
See my people, how far now? I dey be now. Madam Queen, how far now?
Madam Queen no dey, na only me dey here. I just stand to the grass.
Lady G, how you dey be now?
Yes, so I dey.
Madam Queen no dey kuma come here again. Her own na just come collect money. She don go back to house.
You don't see am now, na so e dey be.
Someone wey dey shine like this, they glow up and down. They dey sumptuous. Come dey sweep pass your soup.
No dey tell me something so. Abeg, make my husband no hear you. You dey hear me, abi?
na one I dey warn you.
Abeg o, I
Only
no
my
dey
food
o.
dey sweet,
Abeg
dey
o.
sumptuous.
You know wetin go help me do now?
Yes,
You help me bring food o.
Hey, na wetin we go give you when you just today?
You know my usual now. 7 wraps of fufu with 4 meats,
My guy.
4 fish, 3
That's
kpokpo.
bad,
No,
that's
the
bad.
shaki and the roundabout, everything like that. I want very chill palm wine to take step down.
Valentine.
Make do quick and go
I
work.
dey with you. Where you dey? Nimota! Now, wow. No vex, abeg.
Madam G, Madam G.
Yes, so. Carry water, go give her now.
See as the food just soft. Madam G, Madam G.
Only one Oga Jasper.
G for gang gang.
Jasper.
I dey see your hand o. My brother, money good. Try the hustle, make hunger no kill you. You understand?
Jasper. You just say you follow us this bad economy like this. Jasper, show me way now. Give me format.
Make I show you the way.
Show me way now.
Make I give you format.
Give me format.
Sure, if you see masquerade, you go follow dance.
Yeah. Ordinary give me format now. You don't dey come out with this your archaic proverbs again.
See, them talk say, when they going get tough, the tough gets going. I be how they talk and pass, my brother. So you go school now.
Jasper, show me way.
But wait though. This thing where they shout format. If I give you format, it's not what I do, you go fit do am.
But you do am. You do am, na me wey no fit do am.
No worry, just dey push your wheelbarrow, dey go. Leave am. This one na big boys thing. You no go fit survive am.
Oga, show me way. Show me way, no dey stingy.
Nemo, sir. Come on, we packing your plate.
You don't even finish your food though. That's why you don't be like say you follow us dey this economy.
If you gonna help me finish am as I dey go like this. Lady G, na you try pass. This your food enter. Later na you go be my man.
Right, Jasper,
More slow.
Jasper, show me way.
No be to dey shout, give me format, give me format. See, make I advise you. Just stick to your business.
Don't tell me say you wan comot o. Oga, give me format. You dey tell me say you reach me, push me back. Tell me wetin dey sup.
You no go fit do wetin I dey do.
Tell me first, abeg. Tell me first.
Come here, I tell you.
God forbid. Not be me and you.
Wetin dey worry this chicken-hearted nigga? See, na you sabi. As for me, this hard economy no go kill me. Na me go kill am. I have bills to pay. They dey behave like chicken.
Ah, wow. Wetin happen?
No shout.
Why they rushing like that?
See. I just see two men come down from police car. They enter here. I just calm down. I just
Police?
Happy.
Excuse me, sir. Please, how can I help you?
I'm Detective John.
Okay.
I'm here for an investigation. I must warn you, comply with the Nigerian police force or else you'll have trouble. There's somebody here that we're looking for. Who is Jasper Ubuntu? I say, who is Jasper Ubuntu? Are you a customer?
I'm not a custom officer.
I say, are you a customer?
Yes, I'm a customer, sir.
So where's your food?
Sir, you mean the food I ordered?
No, the one that ordered you. Stand up. I said stand up. What is that? Hey, check that. Oh,
Sir, it's not. Why are you trying to plant something? What's that?
Hey.
Officer, that's my ID card. Officer, I've done what have I done, officer? What have I done? Why are you harassing me?
Hey. Jasper Ubuntu, right? You are under arrest.
What have I done? I just came here to eat.
Why are you to the state of
Why? Officer,
move?
give me this now.
Leave am, make they carry am go. Shame to poverty. Shame to poverty. Na im be this. If I tell you wetin this guy just whisper for my ear, your eardrum go burst.
Abeg tell me now, wetin happen? Wetin he tell you? Abeg na.
I don't say you go want know by fire by force.
I no go wan know where this kind thing come happen for
Sell
sure.
your food, abeg.
Lady G, what's happened now? What's happened? See, if my team lose this man, I'll make you responsible for this thing. What's all that?
Lady G, I'm still waiting.